woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Damn, she got some nerve when she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. She said don't come home if you go to the bar. So I said okay baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door. But she never unlocked it, guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Damn, she got some nerve when she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. I use that empty bag of corn to rest my head. A camo jacket for a blanket, then passed out like I was dead. Still got one heck of a buzz. If I look like a train wreck, it's because I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Damn, she got some nerve when she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. I was there when you fell from the clouds, then landed in the desert. There was a thunder inside of my heart. There was a wonderful pleasure, and like a stallion racing the rain, you rode on the back of my bike. I knew from the sound that you sang, you are my lover for life. Desert. There's no time to sleep. Living in a dream. So take me to that paradise in your eyes. Green like American money. You taste just right. Sweet like Tennessee honey. And we can run away. Swimming in the sunlight every day. What's up? What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? It's the very first time that I do a live stream in quite some time. But I'm super excited. Let's see if everything's going right. Wow, perfect. Guys, drop a thumbs up or say yes if you can hear me in the YouTube chat. I'm still kind of new into this, but everything's gonna be going as planned. I'm setting up the whole setup for streaming. I bought a bunch of new equipment, so let's see how it goes. I've never live streamed New York either, but let's see, guys. Drop a thumbs up in the live chat, or just let me know if you guys can hear me. Want to make sure everything is good and you guys can hear me. Fire, perfect, good. So it's always gonna be the same link to join the live streams. I'm always gonna be dropping it in my free Telegram, my VIP, and on the YouTube. If you're subscribed, it should pop up for you every single time. But it's amazing. I'm gonna be live streaming gold and probably some Forex pairs as well. If we don't catch a move on gold, whoa, what happened here? Look at this huge wick here that happened. But if we can't catch a move on gold, then we're gonna have to start trading some Forex pairs during New York as well. I know EU moves pretty nice during New York, USD CAD as well. I'm not gonna dabble into indices, not my thing. I've had a pretty love and hate relationship with indices. But for those of you guys that have been following my signal room for a while and have been following my trades, you guys know that I absolutely murder gold. I'm a monster with gold. So hopefully during the 1 hour and a half that we're gonna be live streaming, we can catch the move, so that you guys can, catch some free trades and make some money. So, let's look at what gold's going on right now. Before I even, decide to go into a trade or anything, I'm always going to be doing some analysis, 5-10 minutes before the stream starts. We're going to be breaking down gold, breaking down whatever it is that we're going to trade, and see if we have an actual good opportunity to trade the markets, right? So, these past two trades here are literally the only trades I've been able to send out this week in my Telegram. We're coming into December, which is usually not one of my best months, and it's not one of the best months for a lot of traders due to the fact that we're getting to the holidays, we're getting into end of the year, and the markets just start moving very, very choppy. And as you can see with gold, for example, we don't see ranges going on, and I'm a breakout trader, so I like seeing and trading ranges. And as you guys can see, it's kind of pretty much trendy right now. But a successful trader at the end of the day has to adapt to whatever the market presents itself with. So I did take these two sells. This one hit over 80 plus pips, and this one right now already hit TP3 for about 60 plus pips. They were both sells. The reason why I got into those sells were because of a rejection of the 2050, 2049 resistance level, and I also saw that we were starting to form a downtrend on the smaller time frames as well. These highs were not higher than these highs, so we also started seeing that we were getting into a bearish market after being very, very bullish. I also marked this little minor level right here that has been a support, resistance, support multiple times. I saw that there was not enough volume to keep on pushing up, so we got into the sells. We were in some drawdown for about 15 pips. Then we finally, during London session last night, pushed all the way down. But yeah, that's pretty much what I was looking on with gold. Now, hopefully we can catch a good trade. I will continue continuation sells below this previous low down here of 2038. Or if we can catch, we could potentially catch a retest off of this area of 2040. Let me move this out of the way to not confuse you guys. But we could potentially catch some continuation sells off of this key level right here, which is 2040, which was pretty much our highest or closest zone for sells. All right, so let's see what we can do here. This is the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. Damn, we missed it. Okay, it's okay. But in the 30-minute time frame, we had a perfect candle closure touching the 2040 level to continue down. So sells are pretty much effective right now, guys, for gold. Now we just got to break this level right here of 2037 to continue pushing down. Let's see what it does. My VIP is currently in sells, so we are already in profits, but we could still potentially catch a bigger move here. It could continue pushing down, So I'll let you guys know. Do not worry. Below 2037, we are good for taking more sells. All right, fire, bro. Thank you. Yeah, and it's the very first time I do a live stream on YouTube. We have a few people in here already. And I literally didn't even announce it. I was excited. Last night I was like, you know what? Haven't done a live stream in a minute, so why not just do a live stream tomorrow, right? And I announced it like within 30 minutes, and we already have a few people watching. But I want to make this consistent, guys. We're about to go into some sells. Not in the trade yet, but we could enter at around 2037. We could put stops at 2040 for 30 pips. It's pretty good with gold. What time is it? 8:45. So we could potentially catch some sells here. Let's see. Not in the trade yet, guys. Not in the trade yet. Patience. We need this candle close below these lows. If you guys have any questions that you guys want me to answer in the chat, you can ask. Not in trade yet, guys. I'll let you guys know when. But Signal Room is already in the trade, but I'm waiting for another trade. I don't want to miss it, but if we miss it, we miss it. We need 3 minutes for a 15-minute time, 15-minute candle closure. We need to close below 2037. A lot of volatility going on right now. this would be my setup. I would be entering at 2037, stops at 2040 for 30 pips, and our TPs could be 2034, 2031. So pretty much we do like a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 risk reward here. Not in the trade yet, guys. I'll let you guys know when. But yeah, pretty quick today. We were able to find the setup pretty quick. That's one of the reasons why I like trading gold a lot. You know, gold moves beautiful, and especially during this time, you know. Gonna play some music in the background. Let me know, guys, if it's too loud so I can lower it, or if it's good. Thanks, Bryce, for the support, man. You know, it's also the very first time that we do a live stream on YouTube for some times. So I think I know the live chat isn't working so it can pop up on my screen. We'll make sure that we get all of that fixed by the next live stream. I'm thinking a live stream at least 3 times a week. It will be like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays most likely, since those are my trading days. But you know, we're gonna get better and better each day that we do this. It's the first time, so there might be some little glitches, you know, some things going on. But we are Gucci, guys. We're Gucci. If we can catch a nice banker, a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 today on our first day live streaming, that's gonna be epic. Also, guys, you know, I'm very open to look at whatever pair you guys want me to look at, whatever breakdown you want. You know, if you guys even want me to listen to another type of music and put it on the live stream, I'll listen to it. Unfortunately, it's 8:45. We didn't get the breakout that I wanted on the 15-minute time frame. We actually closed inside this range. We needed to break below 2037. So we're gonna have to wait another 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want to take an impulse entry, because if we lose this trade, I don't want to lose it on. I don't want to lose our first trade. But you know, we just gotta wait for that breakout candle and the closure. Let's see what's going on with USD CAD. We'll have so many charts here. Give me a second. Is there a nice range going on? Okay, perfect. So USD CAD, we could potentially catch trades here as well. I mean, it moves pretty nice during New York. It's a New York based currency pair, so we might be able to actually you know, trade this. As we can see, there's an important key level up here at about 1.36190, which has been a major resistance for some time, where we can potentially take some buys above if we break above these previous highs. You know, basically be at the top of the previous range. We could target all the way to this target zone right here, which, as you guys can see in the past, has also been a very strong support. So, you know, we could take some buys above this area right here. Now, when it comes to sells, on USD CAD, we could take some sells off of this area looks pretty nice too. Yeah, this area looks pretty nice. So this is our closest selling zone, or our closest support zone that we could potentially take some sells off of. You can mark it up like this. So usually how I mark up my chart, guys, is you know, I trap price obviously in between a consolidation or a range. I'm also going to be dropping a free course for Christmas on December 25. But I trap price in between two key levels. This blue one's going to be my buying key level. This red one's going to be my selling key level. We got a breakout either up or down. We go into the trade. Simple, minimum 1-to-1 risk to reward. And you know, that's honestly the best way to trade live, because it's not that it's a scalp, but if it's a good breakout, you'll be in profits within, you know, 15-30 minutes, not even an hour, you get me? So potentially target these lows right here, and we could potentially target these lows right here. So these are two potential plays that could happen on USD CAD this morning. So let's see what goes on here. This is what I'm looking for here on USD CAD. Now, I don't even trade USD CAD, guys, but the good thing about my strategy is it works with every Forex pair. Like, it really works with every currency pair, because the market at the end of the day moves from zone to zone, right? Going back on gold, nothing has pretty much changed. It's pretty much rangy right now, inside this area. That's good. That means we're not gonna miss out on the trade, hopefully. But let's see if we do get that breakout that we're expecting. Yeah, I mean, USD CAD actually moves pretty nice this time. Obviously, I prefer trading gold, since it's what I'm an expert on. And we all know that gold is extremely volatile. But you know, there's a potential move on other Forex pairs, we might as well take them. We're not leaving money on the table here, guys. Remember, I'm not in this trade yet. We need a breakout closure below 2037. No breakout closure, no trade. Not going into no impulse entries. USD CAD's about to give us a breakout. In the 15-minute time frame did close above these highs. Need a stronger confirmation though. I want to see how the 30-minute closes. 30-minute closes in 9 minutes, so might as well just wait. Might be a fake out, so might as well just wait 9 minutes. Remember, patience pays. Gold still in the range. Well, we're about to have 20 views on the live stream for our very first time live streaming. Wow, you guys are the best. Beautiful. So I'm assuming this time works for all of you guys too. For all the new people watching the live stream, it's my very first time live streaming New York, and I'm extremely excited to see how this goes. The very first day, you know, there might be a little bit of glitches, a few, you know, missing things and stuff, but you know, it should get fixed as time goes on. We're about to catch the breakout on gold. 8 more minutes. Patience. Hopefully we can catch a huge trade today in our first day live streaming. You're welcome. I'm watching while during work. Hey bro, you're making money both ways. While working, you're also working. That's how it should be, bro. You see, that's why we didn't enter. Look at that. Boom. There hasn't been any volume. Imagine if we would have entered right there on that 15-minute breakout. We would have been right now, you know, waiting for the market to push up when it has it. So just wait for that 30-minute. Regardless, it closes in 4 minutes. So we just gotta wait 4 minutes. If that candle closes exactly where it's at right now, we're going in for the buys. And what I love about it is that USD CAD and gold are inverse. So if USD CAD does push up, gold's gonna be pushing down. Damn, I don't want to miss out. I think I'm gonna go in for the trade, guys, on USD CAD. Gold, we missed it. Gold, yeah, gold, we missed it. Our entry was supposed to be 2037. It's already at TP. Guys, I think I'll be entering on USD CAD. Buy at 1.3620. TP1 will be 1.2640. Stop loss 1.2590, which would be that would be a perfect trade. Let me see. Well, I'm not in the trade yet, guys. Patience. 590 would actually be a really good. 30 pip? Nah. Let me do 60. 1.36 psychological. Not in the trade yet, guys. Patience. We need 4 more minutes for this candle to close. Gold did come back, which is good because it would give us an opportunity to enter. Now, if I do decide to enter on USD CAD, I won't be entering on gold. I only want to be open on, I only want to enter on 1 trade. Don't want to be in 2 trades at the same time. But let's see. Potential buys right here. All right, 3 minutes, guys. Not in the trade yet, but 3 minutes, we enter. Yeah, I think it is gonna fly, guys. I think I'm gonna enter, guys. What do you guys think? Drop a yes in the chat if we just enter. We're two pips away from entry from what our original entry would be. What's good? What's good? Let me know, guys. Do we enter the trade? Yes or no? I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss out on the trade when we could potentially catch a pretty big move here. But you know the candle does close in 2 minutes. Fuck it. We're 2 pips away from entry. You know, my rule is anywhere between our entry to max 5 pips, you can still enter. So, wait. Give it 1 more minute, guys. Let's give it 1 more minute. I feel like gold's gonna leave without us. I don't want to enter the gold one. Plus, the stop loss on gold is also pretty tight. I like the USD CAD setup a lot more. One more minute. We're just 2 pips away from entry. We're good. If candle closes exactly where it's at right now, we'll be able to enter. But we need that 30-minute closure here. One more minute, guys, and we're entering on the trade. I want this candle to be bullish. Alright, give it some time. 30-minute just closed. We closed good, and we're entering the trade, guys. 126.20. TP1 would be 126.40. 20 pip. Let's go. Boom, we're flying, guys. One 2640s are stop our take profit 1, which should be it's 20 pip move. All right, let's see what it does. Once we get to 10 pips in profit, we'll be moving stops to break even. Yeah, and that's why we wait, guys. See how 30 let me see how gold closed. Yeah, gold closed good too. The thing is that I'm not gonna enter on gold right now because it's way too low. It's already at 2035. My initial, what I wanted my TP to be at gold was would have been 2034. You know, it's not a positive risk to reward. So I like the USD CAD setup more. It's also my first time trading USD CAD in some like about 3 weeks. I've traded USD CAD before, and I've loved how it moves. I just, you know, I don't trade it because I like focusing on one thing, which is gold. But overall, guys, this setup is super nice. You know, we broke above this range resistance right here, where it's rejected multiple times, and we should get enough volume to continue pushing up. We're good, guys. Look at that. We're about 6 pips in profit right now. I got the numbers messed up. My bad. It's 3620. 3, 3, and then 2, 6. Where did I get the 2 from? 1.3620 was our entry. 1.3640 is our first TP. Our stop loss is at 1.3600. 1.3600. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Damn, you guys didn't let me know. Okay. We're good. We're about 5-6 pips in profit right now. I entered at 1.36210. So like a pip and a half away from our entry. We have 20 people on the live stream. Wow. We're in a current trade, guys. We're in a trade right now. We're about 5 pips in profit. You can still enter. Remember my rule. No more than 5 pips. So if, let's say our entry is 1.3620 and we're currently at 1.3623, for example, we would pretty much just be like 3 pips already in profit. You can still enter. You'll just be 3 pips late. So instead of having a 20 pip stop, you'll be having a 23 pip stop, which isn't really much of a difference. You get me? But as long as your entry is not more than 5 pips away from what our initial entry is, you're good. You know, we're only about 3 pips in profit right now. The moment that we hit 1.3630, it would be basically 10 pips, and we'll be moving our stops to break even, and it'll be a risk-free trade. So let's see if we can catch a nice little 1-to-1 here today. See what gold's doing. Gold's melting, which is a good sign. Like I said, gold and UCAD are inverse. So if gold pushes down, USD CAD should push up. Can you guys still enter? Yes, you can. It's literally just playing at around entry right now. We are currently at entry right now. You can still enter the trade if you haven't. I'm gonna mark out my TP2 right here for you guys. 1.3660 would be our TP2, which would be about a 3660 would be about a 40 pip move for a 1-to-2. Drop a money bag in the chat, guys, if you guys are in the trade currently. New York also has opened, guys, so you know, we should get some volume in now. This is dangerous what we're doing right now. We're literally trading New York Open. Yeah, so when I used to trade London, it for sure moved way quicker at 3 a.m. Unfortunately, that move that used to happen on GJ at 3 a.m. back in the days doesn't happen anymore. You know, what ended up happening was the move kept on being delayed and delayed and delayed. It would be 3 a.m., wouldn't happen, 3:30 wouldn't happen. Sometimes it would happen at 4 a.m. Then it just wouldn't happen at 4 a.m. It would do it like at 5 a.m. So I would just be up all night for no reason looking for a setup that sometimes would never even end up happening, you know? And I was losing sleep, so just might as well, you know, sleep like a normal person during the night, wake up early at 5, 6 a.m., have a productive morning, and then, you know, hop on the charts. Currently just about 4 pips in drawdown. We're good. We're good, guys. I mean, I like where we have our stop losses. Should be good. Now, you know, should you enter the trade now that we are here? No. The reason for is because we are in drawdown territory, and I don't recommend getting into a trade in drawdown territory just because you might think that you might catch a better entry and catch more, you know, more pips. That's not the way I think of it. You know, I would only enter if we were above these highs, then yes. But you see, as you see, the market is right now below these previous highs right here, and it looks like, you know, we might be in drawdown for probably a few minutes. So would you enter the trade? No. We're not positive right now. We have 20 views on the live stream. Amazing. Pretty good for our first time, you know. If you enter the trade, guys, great, you enter the trade. If you didn't, do not enter right now. I'll let you guys know when it would be a good possible re-entry. Is the YouTube chat frozen or is it just me? I think the YouTube chat is frozen. Look how beautiful price action is though. You know, even if we're down right now, look at this. You know how I told you guys in the beginning of the stream that USD CAD is inverse with gold? It's pretty much that strategy is very, very effective. Gold is right now pushing up, and what is USD doing? It's pushing down. You know, they're very, very strong inverse correlation. We're good, guys. We're just about 14 pips in drawdown right now. Should push back up anytime soon now. So Wall Street opens at 9:30. Let's see if we haven't hit stops by 9:30, then we could potentially keep pushing up. We could push up. Possible re-entries on gold? Possible. Just wait. I wouldn't get into any trades on gold right now. So if we do hit stops on UCAD, we still have gold, which is what I specialize in. Just unfortunately, when we entered USD CAD, gold was already super deep down, so we weren't able to catch the trade. But possibly, guys, we could possibly catch a re-entry, an entry on gold, since we haven't traded it. We did get a nice little breakout on gold, and it did push down. But as you can see, it's just been wicks. You know, there's no candle bodies below the breakout, so we could potentially still be able to catch an entry on gold. We just gotta be patient with that one. And USD CAD, you know, it's not going our way right now, but you know, that's how trading is. As long as you follow your plan, you know, you're a winner, right? And I consider myself a winner even if we lose this trade, because I was patient. You guys saw how I waited those 15 minutes for that candle to close. You know, I didn't hop in early. I didn't get into an impulse entry. I followed my plan. I waited for the 30-minute candle closure. And you know, we're in drawdown right now, but that's how trading is. Might be filling the FVG before the push upward, the fair value gap. Hey man, I'm not a smart money trader, but if you say so. Also, guys, you know, so this is our first live stream during New York. You know, we're still getting some things out together, but I did open the Discord again. You can join the Discord for free on my WAP. You go on the WAP link, you click, I believe, the free the beginner package, which is free. It will give you access to the Discord. We're currently building the community up right now, and I'm probably gonna be doing voice chats through Discord while live streaming, so you guys will be able to talk while being in the live stream, and you guys will be able to be heard by everybody that's watching the live stream. So you guys can do that. You know, join there's a link in the bio or in the description for my WAP, and just click on the free one and it should give you access to the Discord. We're currently building up the Discord right now. I only previously had a Telegram back then. We're currently building the Discord community right now. You can join it through there. And Tuesday of next week, when the next live stream is gonna happen, I'm gonna allow you guys to be able to talk and stuff during the live stream, which would be pretty cool, you know. Damn, USD CAD melted. We hit stops here, don't worry guys. You know, we still got gold. I know gold's not gonna fail us. But I'm not in a trade yet on gold, guys, so I'll let you guys know when. USD CAD, we're like 2 pips away from hitting stop loss. You know, that's the good thing about live trading, guys. The transparency that I can show you of the markets. You know, we don't win every single day. We don't always win. You know, that's how the market is. It's coming back up. That's good. But hey, if we get clapped, we get clapped. We come back tomorrow and we kill it with a positive risk reward, and we should come back from this. Look at that, it's pushing back up. If we have a nice comeback, 4 people left the live stream because they think we're gonna get stopped out. They're probably thinking wrong though. If we get a comeback, it's gonna be insane. I'm still looking for a potential entry on gold. Now, what I don't want to happen on USD CAD is that it drops all the way down here to grab liquidity from the left side which at the end of the day could happen. But if that happens, we would be already getting stopped out of this trade, and you know the trade obviously wouldn't be effective. Just hopefully that doesn't happen. You know, I'm going with my plan right now, so let's see. Gold, still no entry here. Yo, if USD CAD pushes back up, you know, that's gonna be a huge comeback. After being 18 pips in drawdown, you know, 2 pips away from hitting stops, and it looks like we're pushing back up. I love trading though. Even if we lose, you know, it's part of the experience, you know. You chose this career, you got to deal with the consequences that are part of your career. So if you lose a trade, you lose a trade. Simple. You move on. You analyze why you lost it. Make sure you don't make the same mistake again, and you move on. And if it was something that you could have not controlled, like for example, you know, if you followed your plan and you lost, you know, it's pretty much not your fault. Consider yourself a winner for following your plan and sticking to your rules, right? Now, if you lose the trade because you weren't following your plan, you know, make sure you don't do that again. Don't commit the same mistake all over again, right? That's how you fail long term. They said in the chat, manifesting to go back up. Man, I don't believe in that. I'm a very realistic person, and I go based off of what the market does. I react to price. I don't predict. If you go around with that manifesting mindset, you know, I don't know what to tell you, but that's not how you should do it when you're trading. Something I fixed as well, you know, when I first got started to trading, I was one of those people that would be like, oh, yo, I'm gonna manifest this, or hopefully, you know, God bless we don't hit stop losses, and you know, I would start praying in the middle of a trade. And that's not how you should approach the market, guys. It's really not. You can't use the spiritual forces to go into a buy or a sell and to know if you're gonna hit stop losses or not, you know. If we hit stops, we hit stops. Simple. We're gonna hit stops like a man. 1 pip away from hitting stops. And stops. That's it. We lost a trade. We're 0-1 in the live stream. Part of trading. Perfect. We're 0-1 in USD CAD. Let's go look at gold. Alright, so you know, we still have a potential entry here. We just gotta break below those lows. Or we gotta break, if we got a retest of 20,4,500, you know, I might start to look at it. We lost USD CAD, you know, it's okay. You guys approach a trade like warriors. We followed our plan, we lost it, you know. Sounds good to me. See what the DXY is doing. So DXY right now, you got a bullish breakout on the DXY, meaning gold should melt. Yeah, gold should push down, guys. And USD CAD, I do feel like at the end of the day, it is going to push up due to the fact that we did get that breakout. But it's pushing down just to grab liquidity from the left and, you know, do the whole stop hunting process that the market usually does. Did I forget to update my signal room? I think we did hit TP3. I mean TP4 on gold. We're up 60 plus pips. 2036 for TP4. Oh yeah, oh wow, we hit every TP. We hit 100 plus pips on gold. Beautiful. So with gold in the signal room, I'm gonna pull it up right now so you guys can see. But we did hit I believe all TPs. Give me 1 second. We did hit TP5 on gold. We sent out this trade last night at 642. Entry was 2044, 2045. TP5 was 2034 for 100 plus pips. And it did drop to 2032. So, you know, trade was complete. We grabbed 100 plus pips on that trade. Beautiful. Still looking for a potential entry right now. Beautiful. So we hit 100 plus pips on the VIP channel with this gold setup. Beautiful. And like I explained in the beginning of the live stream, it was pretty much the same setup that I looked for here. I do want to see a breakout off of this level because it is a major zone that is respected multiple times, and for some reason we keep getting rejections off of it. Oh yeah, I do believe we could now. Let's see. All right, we have a 30-minute candle in 4 minutes for gold. See what ends up happening. Forget about USD CAD. Terrible experience with it. First time trading USD CAD in like weeks, and we hit stop loss. So you know what? I'm deleting it from my watch list. Who was your #1 artist this year? So the artist that I listened the most to, according to Apple Music, was Eladio Carrion, which is a Spanish trap artist. Then my second one was Drake. Alright, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Looking to potentially sell gold. 2 minutes. We look like we're about to push down. Let's get this ready. Entry would be 2037. TP1 be 2035. TP2 2033. TP3 2031. Stop loss. You could put 2040 as a stop loss. Not in the trade yet, guys. Patience, patience. But this is what I'm looking for on gold. Patience, patience. How are you guys liking the live stream so far? Let me know in the chat. First time live stream, you know, we're doing pretty good. Damn, no breakout again. No top wick on this candle. I don't like it either. No entry yet, guys. No entry. I don't care if it pushes down 100 pips. There's no top wick in this candle and there's no confirmation. I'm not entering on this trade, guys. There's no top wick. There's no reason to enter this trade. If it comes back to at least 2037, I'll go in, but risking 1%. Not in the trade yet, guys. Not in the trade yet. I want to see a top wick. Remember, guys, we lost a trade with USD CAD, so if you do decide to go into this trade, risk 1%. Don't risk 2 or more. You know, don't get into FOMO, into greed. Risk less now. No top wick. Now, this previous doji does indicate that we might fall down though, because there wasn't enough buying volume. What do you guys think? We sell or what? Drop it in the chat. What do you guys think? We going to the sells or what? We have a breakout retest, just we don't have a top wick. What do you guys think? Sells? We can still enter. What do you guys think? Let me know. Selling? Bro, Bryce. Bro. You're a monster. You wanted to sell USD CAD when we didn't have the confirmation. Now you just want to sell gold? Alright, let's sell, guys. 1% though. We're gonna risk 1% on this trade. 2037 was our entry. TP1 is 2035. We're in. We're in, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. We're about to hit TP1 2035 for 20 pips. The only thing I didn't like about this trade, guys, is that we didn't get a top wick. And I was forced into this trade by Bryce. But other than that, you know, we have a break and retest, 15-minute, 30-minute confirmation. But I'm 2-1 from London and New York gold at the moment. Fire. Yeah, we should melt, bro. We're 15 plus pips in profit. Move stops to break even. 2037. It's a risk-free trade. We should hit TP1 now anytime soon. And we're 2 pips away from hitting TP. Stops to break even, guys. You know, we shouldn't lose this trade. Pretty much a break even trade if we do reverse to 2037. And come on. We're about 14 pips in profit. We're good, guys. I don't think we're gonna go back into the range. I think we're just gonna melt. So 935, New York open. See what the dollar is doing. Dollar is very bullish right now. Yeah, bro. Gold should melt. Let's hit TP, guys. Come on. Come on. 5 more pips. Four more pips. 3 more pips. Come on. 2 more pips. Alright, there's a time where we start praying to the gold gods. Nah, I'm messing with you guys. But TP1's about to get hit, you know? And we're 1 pip away. TP 1 hit on gold. Let's go, guys. Drop some money bags in the chat. Oh my god. Look at that melt. 2033 is our TP2. 2033 is our TP2. We're about to hit, yo, we're about 30 pips in profit. Come on. Alright, so we're 1-1, guys, for the day. We recovered our losses on UCAD. And if we hit TP2, we will be up 2% on this trade. Or overall for the live stream. Boom, that's how I love it, guys. Big winning day for us here in the live stream for our first day. And that's why we always follow our plan, guys. You know, we lost a trade. Okay, cool. We come back. We come back. Simple. 2033 is our TP2. And TP, we're 2 pips away from 40 plus pips. $20.33 is our TP2. Let's go. And we are 1 pip away from TP2, which is 40 plus pips. Just like that, guys. We caught over 30 plus pips in the live stream. And it's about being patient with it. Come on, gold. We're 2 pips away. So guys, what did we learn from today's live? Is to stick to one pair, which is what I always say to you guys. You know, stick to one pair. I've been sticking with gold now for the past, you know, few months now, and that's literally all I've been trading. And look how profitable we are. We enter the gold trade within minutes. We're already hitting every pretty much, you know, 30 plus pips. We decided to go on USD CAD to test it out, and we lost a trade. That pretty much tells us to just stick to one thing and like stop experimenting with other pairs when, you know, you've never traded them before, just because you want to catch a trade so badly, you know. So that's something we learned from this live stream, and it won't happen again next stream. You know, we're just gonna stick with gold and not look at other pairs. We could look at other pairs, like I'll do a whole breakdown for you guys if you guys want me to look at them. I just won't be live trading them because they're not what I'm a master on. You know, I don't really trade those other pairs. And look, TP2 just got hit. 2033, 40 plus pips. Let's go. 1 to 1.5 risk reward secured here. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. And did we hit TP3? And TP3 is 2031. so happy we were able to get this on the live stream for the first day. Amazing, phenomenal first day, guys. We had about 20 something members, 20 something viewers watching, and we were able to hit TP2 on gold. Melting, beautiful, guys. Beautiful trade, guys. But yeah, it's my first time here, and I'm gonna start adding a few sound effects. Gonna make this live stream more fun, and eventually we'll be one of the top Forex live streamers on YouTube. One of my goals. You know, I miss doing this. You know, it's been 2 years, guys, since I haven't live streamed. 2 years, and you know, there's no better feeling than actually being able to live trade with the community and trade with you guys. So I'm looking forward to doing these more often. Like I said, guys, the schedule is gonna be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. and we should be doing these. Let's see if we're able to hit TP3. We'll be ending the live stream like in 10 minutes. We still got time. We've been here already for about an hour and a half. But guys, looks like it's gonna hit TP3 off stream. If you guys haven't joined my free chats, they're all in the description. My free Telegram, where I update you guys with everything. I send out free markups, free analysis, free breakdowns, and it's where I'm also gonna be uploading the free live stream links there as well. You guys could, you know, if you came from YouTube, then you can just subscribe. I'll be uploading live streams every Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. But if you're already a prior student, you know, you can just go on my free Telegram. I'll update all of you guys there. Also, remember what I told you guys about the Discord, and no, it does look like we're about to hit TP3. But remember, guys, what I said about the Discord, new community. Next stream for Tuesday, I'll be having some of you guys, you know, being able to talk and stuff, being able to communicate for the live stream. But I appreciate all of you guys, you know, that tuned in. Amazing first day. We had 20 something people watching, and you know, we did lose one trade, which was USD CAD minus 20 pips there, but we recovered it, and on top of that, made huge profits with gold hitting 40 plus pips on gold. So, you know, phenomenal first day. I appreciate all of you guys who tuned in, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday.